Today on AFOL TV, we're talking about our awesome LEGO delivery vehicles, and it all starts right now. Okay guys, as mentioned, today we are taking a look at our custom LEGO delivery vehicles found throughout our city, with more being planned. E-commerce has been growing for a while now, and ever since the COVID era, delivery vehicles and delivery services have not only become more common, but they are also a crucial element of the modern economy. As such, we found it appropriate to add increasing numbers of these delivery vehicles to our own city, with the FedEx and DHL builds being added most recently. As you guys know, we build all of our vehicles to the standard 6-wide configuration, unless otherwise noted, like our golf cart, for example, or other specialty vehicles. You guys also know that we offer instructions on our website for most of our builds, including vehicles shown today. In fact, our Prime truck is one of our most popular downloads, and we've loved seeing it appear in various cities around the world. So, what are some of the builds we've added so far? Well, for starters, as mentioned, we have added our Prime delivery truck. This one is a really fun build, and in my opinion, it's a perfect size delivery vehicle. Relative to a minifig, it isn't too big, and the doors open in the back to hold packages. We also really love the dark blue LEGO color, and it's a really nice color to add to city streets. Our most recent build is the larger FedEx style truck, common in North America and made popular by a Castaway movie decades ago. Although we've heard stories that the fleet is being upgraded soon, the truck is a classic delivery vehicle that will stay relevant for decades to come, regardless of whether or not a new design comes out. Ours has a detachable roof to access the interior cabin, a package area in the rear, and a rear door that opens along with shelves along the interior. There's also exterior striping in light gray with white bumpers below, just like a real truck. We even included little hazard signs on the side and on the front for when dangerous goods are being transported. The FedEx truck was an adaptation of our earlier UPS build, and while they're not the same, they do share a similar footprint. This truck is obviously brown, but it does have a cool built-in gradient using various yellow colored LEGO bricks to change color along the length of the truck. Additionally, it also has a removable roof and shelves on the interior for packages as well. While they're not as small as the Prime truck, both of these trucks are good size, have space to seat minifigs, and adhere to the standard 6-wide layout. They also just add a nice layer of realness to the city and a little extra height to the roads outside of the buses and larger vehicles such as our semi and garbage trucks. We also recently added a DHL truck after many of our international followers reached out, so we're happy to add this one to the website and to the city. It has a similar footprint as the Prime truck and also has doors in the back that open to access the packages. I also like how the color of the vehicle really stands out. It's a nice contrast in a city compared to the traditional colored vehicles that we already have. Lastly, in our current delivery truck lineup is the classic USPS mail truck, which is an American classic. This was one of the earlier builds released on our site, and it was co-designed by a family relative that we have who helped get the design finalized when we were first moving into minifig builds. It features a really nice glass front with bumpers and a rear door that opens to access the mail. I know there are other brands and delivery categories out there that we haven't yet covered, but we have 2 others in the works, and we'll release those soon as they are ready. These trucks have been a great addition to the city, even appearing in some of our recent stop-motion brick films, like the ones included in our recent airport build. If you haven't seen the full airport build, make sure you check it out. I'll link it up above. It's a really cool build, and you'll definitely want to see it. I encourage you guys to add similar trucks or even these trucks to your own city. As mentioned, we do have instructions available on our website, and some of these can be found for free on our YouTube channel if you want to build some and add them to your own city. Link below in the description if you want to learn more. Well guys, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed today's video, and be sure to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok if you don't already, as we often share builds on those platforms that aren't always shared on YouTube. And be sure to subscribe if you don't already, because we really appreciate all the support. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll be sure to see you next time.